Alright class, today we're going to go over how to name ionic and covalent compounds. We'll do one example of an ionic, one example of a covalent. We're going to ignore the transition elements today. We'll do those tomorrow. Those are the elements in the d orbital in the middle of the periodic table. Here's an example of a ionic compound. It says write the correct formula for barium fluoride. The first thing you want to do that we reviewed yesterday, see if it's a metal and a nonmetal or two nonmetals. So on your periodic table, look up barium. Barium is in group number 2. That means it's a metal. If you look at fluoride, fluorine's in group 17. That is a nonmetal. So we have barium, which is a metal. We have fluoride, which is a nonmetal. When they combine together, we get an ionic compound. In an ionic compound, you have to look at your oxidation numbers and then just crisscross the numbers. So barium here says it's a +2 charge. Fluorine's a -1. All you do is crisscross the numbers. You left with BaF2 because you need 2 fluorines. Alright, here is an example of a polyatomic formula. You have write the proper chemical formula for potassium hydroxide. Again, potassium, metal, and potassium's in group 1. Hydroxide is a polyatomic ion, but hydroxide is -1. All you do is crisscross the numbers again. You'll be left with KOH. Next, this is how to do a covalent compound. For covalent compounds, you need to know your prefixes. For instance, mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3, and so on. For your STAR test, you'll probably only need to know up to number 4. I doubt that they'll ask these. So, naming H2O, I have 2 hydrogens. Look up 2 here. It'll be dihydrogen. And then 1O will be mono for 1, monoxide. For the PBr3, I don't need to write mono, it's the first one. I can just write phosphorus. PHORUS. And then 3 bromines, look up 3, it's tri, like a tricycle, not mean, but bromide. And that's how you name your ionic and covalent compounds.